As South Africa prepares to mark the 50th anniversary of the June 16 uprising, the Hamid Kathrada Foundation has launched the hashtag Youth Lives Matter. That's a campaign to encourage young people to confront challenges such as unemployment, inequality, and unequal access to opportunities. The foundation says the initiative aims to turn remembrance into action by inspiring young activism and promoting a more inclusive and equitable society.
Iziko i-Hamid Kathrada Foundation lisungule iphulo lolutsha eligxile ekunikeni iqonga ukujongana ngqo nemiqobo esendleleni kwizinto ezifana nobume bemfundo, ukuxhatshazwa kweziyobisi kunye nezinga eliphezulu lentswela-ngqesho ngenjongo yokwakha isizwe esingcono.
One of our areas of work is promoting liberation history. And in this year, we mark the 50th anniversary of June 76, the 70th anniversary of the Women's March in 1956, the 80th anniversary of the 1946 passive resistance, amongst others. Annually, we take young people to visit key historical sites from Sharpeville to the women's, the leaders of the Women's March and their grave sites, as well as 76. But given that it's 1976 and 50 years, today is a way in which we want to reflect much more deeply on it and draw lessons from it for the struggles that young people are having to deal with today.
Noxa ulutsha luka-1976 lalwela imfundo engcono kwaye emva koko kwakhona umehluko, kodwa kusekuninzi ukudinga ukwenziwa ukwenza utshintsho.
I think there's still a very long way to go. I think the struggles of 76 and the struggles now are very different, right? What Abu Hector fought for is something that was eventually attained, which was the fight against Ibantu education, which now we have at very different systems around education. But there are still issues in the education system that we now need to fight against because those are the current struggles that we need to go through, because there are a lot of things that young people are facing today, and it is our chance to also stand and fight against those things.
Eliphulo liyinxalenye yamanyathelo agxile ekugcineni nasekukhumbuleni intsingiselo yomlo wolutsha luka-1976. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mtuka eJabavu.